what we're waiting for has come to pass. See what the Lord has done. Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evie. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today I present to you the McDonald's French fries recipe. So let's go. So I have my French fries here. I add some little salt to taste, which is optional. Then I add some cornstarch to it. So I'm gonna shake the fries so it gets coated with the cornstarch. With this, we will derive crispy and golden color French fries, just like the McDonald's. So I have preheated my oil, so I'm going to give it a first batch fry. So this, I'm going to fry it for just 3 to 4 minutes. Yes. So if you want the McDonald's French fries recipe, just follow this one, family, and you are going to enjoy. So after 4 to 5 minutes, I will take this out from the oil and then spread it on a paper towel and then allow it to cool down for like about 15 to 20 minutes. You can even refrigerate it, it's okay. With this, the paper towel is going to soak all the oil from our fries. And then after 20 minutes, this is the second frying. Yeah, this is where the crispiness comes from. So over here, I'm going to fry this for about 5 to 8 minutes, depending on how you want it. I want my golden color. Yeah, so I'm going to fry it a bit longer. And just look at it. Our French fries, the McDonald's recipe style, is ready. So I'll just take it out from the fire and then I am serving myself. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and you are going to try it. Thank you so much for standing by and enjoying this video. If you like this video, kindly share to your friends and family, like, comment and subscribe. Okay, so thank you, family. See you in our next video whilst I enjoy my McDonald's French fries.